Why should health and fitness professionals be recommending bone broth to their clients? In traditional cooking, people often use bones as a base for stocks. Bone broths add amazing flavour and they are very versatile. Bone broth is incredibly nutritious and has scores of health benefits. Bone broth is the foundation for the GAPS diet, a diet that is often used to heal the gut and reduce the overgrowth of harmful bacteria in the gut. Why is bone broth so good? Bone broth contains collagen. We use collagen for the growth and repair of cartilage, ligaments, tendons, bones, and skin. Bone broth also contains glycine. Glycine acts as a neurotransmitter and helps our nervous system function correctly. Bone broth also contains glutamine. Glutamine is used to heal leaky gut, as epithelial cells and immune cells consume glutamine for cellular energy. Bone broth also contains a ton of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc. Bone broth can improve gut health, lower inflammation, speed up recovery, control blood sugar levels, improve skin and eye health, lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, mental illness, and fractures. Bone broth improves energy production, increases oxygen transportation around the body, improves anaerobic performance, stimulates growth hormone production, improves detoxification, increases bone and joint health, improves sleep and mood, and boosts the immune system. I'm unaware of any other food or supplement that can offer so many health benefits.